Hi. What can I get you today? Hi. What can I get you today?
Can I get a Big Mac meal? Can I get a Big Mac meal?
Make that a large meal? Make that a large meal?
Yes, please. And a Coke. Yes. Please. And a Coke. No pickles in the burger, please.
No.
Pickles. In. The burger, please.
So that's one Big Mac meal, large size, no pickles, and a Coke? So that's one Big Mac meal, large size, no pickles, and a Coke?
Yes, that's correct. Yes, that's correct. Oh, are there any deals today? Oh, are there any deals today?
Yes. You can upgrade your drink for just $1.
Yes.
You can upgrade your drink for just $1.
That sounds like a good deal, I'll take it. That sounds like a good deal, I'll take it.
For here or to go? For here or to go?
To go, please. To go, please.
That's $9. Tap right here. That's $9. Tap right here.
You're all set. You're all set. Can I get your name for the order? Can I get your name for the order?
My name is Emma. My name is Emma. Can I get the receipt, please? Can I get the receipt, please?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
By the way, how long will it take? By the way, how long will it take?
It'll be ready in about 5 minutes. It'll be ready in about 5 minutes. Order for Emma is ready. Order for Emma is ready.
Thank you. That is mine. Thank you, that is mine.
Do you need any sauce? Do you need any sauce?
Some BBQ sauce, please. Some BBQ sauce, please. Where can I find napkins? Where can I find napkins?
They are at the beverage station. They are at the beverage station.
Got it, thanks. Have a good one. Got it, thanks. Have a good one.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
All right, friends. Let's see if you can pass Emma's mini test today. Type your answer in the comments below. No cheating, okay? All right, everyone. Remember to check the pinned comment, and I will see you in the next lesson.